So to enable the webcam on your Windows laptop, you want to go into the Start button and select Settings. Under Settings, on the left-hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then you want to scroll down that page until you see Cameras. Click on that, and then you can see Integrated Camera. If it's disabled, then this will say Enable. So you want to click on Enable, and that should enable the integrated camera. So now when you click on Integrated Camera, you will see your webcam. Now, if it's shut off, sometimes some laptops have a little slider here that basically covers the camera for privacy reasons. So just check on your specific camera. You might have it enabled, but you still can't see yourself because it's covered like that. Okay, so just make sure you slide that cover open so that you're able to use your webcam. Thanks for watching and good luck.